Speculations surrounding the forthcoming Galaxy S24 series point to substantial under-the-hood enhancements. Recently shared images of dummy units by its SonnyDickson reveal the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. The smaller variants showcase flat sides and rounded corners, housing 3 rear camera lenses, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a more rectangular design and 2 additional rear cameras. Earlier CAD-based renders hinted at dimensions for the S24 Ultra, closely resembling the S23 Ultra with minimal variations. Unfortunately, the dummies lack front-facing photographs, but speculation suggests the new Ultra will adopt a somewhat flattened design without being entirely flat, with a consistent weight. Leaked renders of the Galaxy S24 Plus propose dimensions of 158.5 at 75.9 x 7.75 millimeters, while another source suggests the S24 dimensions at 147.0 x 70.5 7.6 millimeters. Rumors abound that Samsung is making a shift to titanium frames for the 2024 flagship models, moving away from armor aluminum. Although the dummies are presented in white, there are whispers of 4 core color options and additional exclusive colors, possibly available through the Samsung store. Regarding displays, rumors suggest all 3 models will feature LTPO panels, marking a significant development. The rear cameras, especially on the Ultra model, are expected to receive notable upgrades. The anticipated unveiling of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is rumored to occur in January during a Samsung Unpacked event in the US. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, it is advisable to refer to official announcements from Samsung or reliable sources as the launch date approaches. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.